TC300 Series 2 major additional features compared to TC200 Series seat. Number 1 is the memory height system, other word auto leveling suspension system, which shows you from tutorial video, and this system absorb all impact from chassis and cabin. The main beneficial of this system is that maintain same height level as driver set up previously, which helps to minimize your up and down movement for better stability and maneuverability while you're driving. This system will adapt to any condition of the road. It helps to make more focus and precise control when you operate your vehicle. Number 2, TC300 Series seat uses mechanical type lumbar support system, which is not only work better, but also this system is almost maintenance-free compared to air-bleeding type air chamber lumbar support most other seat manufacturers used.